come first before the technology itself?
I think banking will be turned upside down.
Definitely. With all these cryptocurrencies going on, you understand? So, no, you, Mr. Day, I have a question for you. What jobs do you think will be obsolete in the next 5 years in Nigeria?
Okay, basically non-specialized jobs will have a problem, right? Like, to what he was saying, technology is an enabler.
Okay.
So basically it amplifies everything you're doing. So technology is going to go across all sectors. So everybody studying something right now, please be ready to specialize. Because if you do not specialize, there's a machine somewhere that some tech head somewhere is coding somewhere that's going to be doing your job.
Don't you have some, don't you have like, I don't need, because by the time you graduate in 5 years, what you have studying will not exist anymore. Something like that. You have anyone in mind?
I wouldn't want to mention.
No,
right?
let us mention. Let us call names and label names.
You mentioned about the lawyers, right?
Yes.
Right. There are a couple of companies that are doing that right now. We talked about the lab scientists. It's going to affect them too. Okay. Then we are talking about other management, right? HRM, right?
Software tools that do that.
Yes, accounting.
Accounting,
most importantly, is going to be affected. There are a couple of apps that do that. So you just have to, look at the future, right? 10 years from now, and actually study accordingly. But the truth is that if you really specialize, I don't think there's, for now, 5 to 10 years, keep specializing. Whatever you do, keep specializing, and a machine will take over.
Let me ask you one thing. You think computer can do my job?
Nah, computer. That's flair. Right?
Trying to establish the thought that you're saying.
But could I ask
That's
you
why
something?
they call
though?
it on-air personality. That's the key word.
Well, can I ask you something,
Yeah.
though? I mean, you said specializing, right?
Yeah.
Isn't it risky to specialize in one thing when you know that in the next 5 years your job could be obsolete?
Now, the point is that it's change. The thing about change is that you have to always be ahead. So specializing means that if, for example, let me use healthcare. I'm a doctor, right? Then for a machine can actually find and treat patients somehow, right? Then what happens is that I start specializing in the eyes alone, right?
Okay,
Then I
that's
specialize in the left eye. And I specialize in just the retina.
Okay.
Now, the point I'm trying to say is that as much as possible, the technology is an enabler. It helps me do my job more efficiently.
Okay.
Right? So if I specialize more, it supports me in my specialization. It's not going to fight. So every profession should find a way to get technology to support. They shouldn't fight technology. They should understand that technology supports
What they're
your...
doing.
No, what? When we would, at the end of the show, you will advise us. So let's hold that advice. Let's talk to
Exactly. It sounds like a made up name.
It does sound like
Even the shirt is very nice. I like your shirt though. I told you earlier on. It's a mixture of Tommy Hilfiger and Senator.
So what exactly do you do?
Okay, first of all, I would like to thank Redeem FM for having me today to talk about the platform. Actually, I like what we are talking about here. It's really the time, in Portharcourt. And Portharcourt is actually a leading city when it comes to tech in Nigeria, So I like it. So I thank you very much.
Eistyles, what do you do?
Okay, what the problem we're solving with Eistyles, or Eistyles actually, that's how it's pronounced,
So
the I is silent.
If you want to check it, Eistyles, but the I
the
is
I is
silent.
silent, yes.
No pronunciation, nothing is spelling. Alright?
Yeah. Oh, the problem we're solving with Eistyles.com is we want to change the way we sew our clothes. The normal way of, you going to the tailor, having to follow him back, calling him, and all that.
Using artificial intelligence. You want to change the way they sew clothes?
Yeah, actually, the problem in the industry is just so cumbersome. Many of us here must have had one problem, with our tailor.
Definitely.
Your clothes ready on
So
time.
all of us have had that problem.
Some tailors
Yeah,
will
I
make
haven't.
effort.
Good.
You haven't? Midday creations.
It's a problem. So we have seen the problem in the industry, the problem of meeting deadline, which is very, very important, and the problem of you even getting who is good.
So what problem exactly are you solving? What are you solving? How are you solving the problem?
How we are solving this problem is that on the platform we have a timer on the platform where if you order a product, a timer starts counting, and then we also have this kind of agreement with them that you must deliver on or before 7 days.
Let's try run the process. I go to your site, www.eistyles.com. I make an order. What am I ordering? A shirt?
Yes.
Okay, I choose a shirt. Then when does the timer start counting? Immediately?
Immediately, yes.
Are we talking about hours? Are we talking about days, weeks?
Depends on what you want, right?
In hours. It counts
Hours.
down. Yes,
So
it counts down.
a typical scenario. What talking about 6 hours, 12 hours. In 12 hours, I get my shirt.
No,
In
no,
6
no.
hours I get my shirt. What exactly?
It counts, from day one down, It's tell you so and so number of hours remaining, and so and so number of days remaining.
Countdown.
You understand? It counts down like that. So, but that puts that pressure on the designer, because you get a notification on your phone that, look, somebody has ordered your product, and will call you as well. This person has ordered your product. You need to start making it on time.
So how has business been thus far?
Very, very well. And many of them are cooperating. When we notice that you have a problem, with any of our customers, we put a sanction, a little sanction.
So
like
you
that.
have a lot of tailors,
Yeah.
backside as your merchants.
Yeah, we've been able to sign up to 35 now.
Wow.
That's nice.
Many of them are from Aba.
How do
Good.
you make sure that how do you ensure that the quality is the same?
Good. You see what I'm wearing, right?
Yes.
Now it's no, that's about the quality of designers we have on the platform. And recently we just held an Afro Yard sale, a kind of a fair, where we gathered all these our designers at Portharcourt Pleasure Park. Everybody came together. People that came to Portharcourt Pleasure Park around 30th of September, 1st of October, and 2nd of October, they saw a lot of them. We displayed, and then people met them one-on-one. So apart from that, we also have this thing on the side where you can actually save your measurements.
What is your Afro Day sale about? I just saw it on the site.
The Afro Yard sale, it's
Yard sale?
Yes.
What is
More
that?
or less like a fair, where you come, you meet all the designers, you buy from them directly.
Alright.
We have this thing on the platform where you can save your measurements, for future references.
Alright.
And designer can also save your measurements.
As if you don't have to wait exactly.
Change.
Yes, you can actually change it, of course. It's just very
you
easy.
could grow bigger or smaller.
Yeah, sure. You can
Alright,
actually-
thank you very much, Mr. Bill Kenneth.
Thank you
Thank you
very
for
much
being
for
here.
having me, yeah.
Alright, let's wrap it up quickly. Mr. Now you advise us as Nigerians, Mr. Tang.
In 30 seconds or less.
Yes. How do you brace yourself for the future? Now knowing that a lot of things are going to change, probably because you are doing by the time you graduate, the industry will not exist. How do you prepare for that kind of life?
Like I say, information is power. You need to find out. You need to really find out. And also, one more thing.